Hi everyone, welcome to WE Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to fill Bluehost affiliate tax form. The first thing you need to do is log in into your Bluehost affiliate account, then go to the settings tab, select tax form. I have already submitted tax form, but I cannot view it for security reason. Anyways, let's see the first question. Are you a US person? If you are from United States of America, then select yes. Then you need to fill this W9 form. I don't know how to fill this form because I am from India. So I will select no. If you are an international marketer with no connection with the US as a resident, then you should select no under this option. Read the instruction before filling this form, or you can also click this link to see the instruction in details. If you qualify to fill this form, then scroll down. Enter your name under name of individual field. Remember to enter the same name which is mentioned on your government identity proof. Then enter your country. Now scroll down to the permanent residence section. Enter your address in the address field. Enter your city or town and state. Also enter your PIN code, postal code or zip code in this field. Enter your country again. Don't enter your short name of your country like IN for India. Now scroll down to the mailing address section. If your mailing address is different from the permanent address, then fill your address here, otherwise leave it blank. Also leave these three fields blank. Then enter your birth date in the date of birth field. Remember to enter your date of birth in correct format. Again, leave all the field blank under claim of tax treaty benefits. Scroll down and read the certification. Then tick this option. Yes, I have read and acknowledged certification. Scroll down to signature section. Enter your name in the signature field. Entering your name acts as a signature. If you are not the owner of this account, then enter your capacity. Leave it blank if you are the owner. Now click submit tax form to submit this form. After that you will get a success message like this image. If all the details submitted by you are correct, then you will receive a success email after a few days. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WE Pocket.